In this video, we're going to be talking about how to repair iPhone proximity sensor issues during your calls. So there are a couple of immediate troubleshooting steps you can do. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe the top of the iPhone, removing dirt or oil that might have been blocking the sensors. Also try to take off any protective cases or screen protectors, which frequently causes alignment issues with the sensor. If you haven't tried it already, go ahead and try the force restart, and that is done by pressing and releasing the volume up and the down button, and simply holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. If you haven't already checked another one, which is going to be heading into your settings and checking your system software update and updating it. If you haven't done that already, go ahead and try that and it should go ahead and fix it. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.